Hi, today we have Munna Bhaiya from Mirzapur. Power है जिनके hi-fi. So how are you today?
Thank you, Richa. I'm absolutely happy, in a very, very happy zone.
So first and first question that we asked to everyone, how was your lockdown time? What you did?
My lockdown time, I did a lot of interesting things. I was not working, so my mind was at peace. I was reading again. Had to watch so many, web shows and movies. उस पे catch up करना था. I started cooking. So yeah, and I have my plants. I love my plants, so could spend some more time with them.
So how did you prep for this character Munna Bhaiya? Like dialect and all. So
yeah, it was. Thankfully, it was all. A lot of it was on paper. This wonderful thing, research and everything was done by our writer Puneet Krishna. So that helped a lot. You have to make it your own. That's your own method as an actor. But yeah, it's very important to have it first on paper. It's like you need to have that trampoline to jump higher and higher, and that's what a good script and a good characterization does. That it gives you that jump sort of a feeling. Language. Puneet Krishna was always there on set, to help us with the dialect and everything, how to say things if we feel stuck somewhere. All in all, team effort. Wonderful people coming together to make something clearly reflects on Mirzapur.
And what was the experience working with Pankaj Tripathi?
Lovely. He's a lovely guy. Season 2 we worked a lot more, because season 1 he plays my father, but हमारे बहुत ज़्यादा scenes नहीं थे. But yeah, season 2 it was lovely experience. We both like each other's company, so we have quite a lot of fun.
The entire season, yesterday I completed it all. So हमने देखा आपके different variation है character के. थोड़ा बीच में romantic भी है, soft भी हो गए थे with your wife. So the change, how did you make the change in the character, like from a rowdy, angry young man to a lovable husband, supporting husband? So that how did you brought that change in your character?
It's your job to do it to begin with, and I think that's what makes your character more human. I don't think you only have dark characters or negative characters. It's like life. You don't have people who are only bad to you. There are different aspects of one's personality, and similarly, Munna. Yes, those aspects were hidden in his personality, but when his this girl comes around and he likes her and gets married to her and everything, he discovers a lot of things about his own personality. So that all helped in making Munna more human, and which was very, very necessary to show that this character is not a cardboard figure. He's got a heart which beats, and he's vulnerable, he's sweet, he's romantic at times. It's just that he's a product of wrong parenting. It's just that.
So आपके अलावा कौन सा और कैरेक्टर आपको पसंद है मिर्जापुर में?
सारे characters यार. It's very difficult to answer this question. Each and every character has so much depth, such clear arc given, that it's so difficult to pick any. It's one of those things. It's like a kid in a candy store. There are so many candies. You can't ask a child कि कोई भी एक ले लो. It's so unfair on a kid. So Mirzapur is someone. Even if tomorrow I have to play someone like a Golu, I would be more than happy. It's that. Any character, Raja, any character.
Mirzapur, there's a rap song on Munna Bhaiya that is trending like big time. So have you heard, like, how did you make that video? Were you part of that video, or it's your idea, or how it came out? Like,
I mean, yeah, we discussed something like this. The makers did discuss when we were shooting the very last episode of season one, final days of shooting. This idea came into mind because Munna has become such a legendary so-called character that he does things in his own style, and he is in a way larger than life. And when a larger than life guy does something humane, you feel more connected to it, and that's the beauty of Munna. He's larger than life, but still very, very relatable at times. So yeah, absolutely love the rap. It's pretty cool how they have done it. Very well sung, composed, beautifully edited. Yeah, man, and I'm so glad people like it. I love it too. I love it.
So from Liquid to Munna Tripathi, summarize your journey and the way your characters are changing, and your acting skills are being defined in a different ways. Can you just explain in one sentence or in few words the journey from Liquid to Munna Bhaiya?
Liquid to Munna Bhaiya is, if I have to say in 2 words, I would say actor's delight. This is what you want to do as an actor. This is what you wish for. I've been very, very fortunate that I got in so early in my career. I got 2 such memorable characters, which will always be talked about. And when we'll talk about great characters in our film history, they'll always take their place somewhere. So I feel very fortunate that I got the opportunity to play them. It's been a lovely experience. It's you can't ask for more. It's so nice.
So the lingo of the show has become the hit. Do you feel somewhere the youth might influence wrongly the language, the swear words and all? So what do you want to say?
Not at all. I think Javed Akhtar Saab said a very nice thing, that cinema and society are 2 mirrors looking at each other. You can't say which reflects who. So it's absolutely, at times what happens is that we Indians, we tend to become a little hypocritical when it comes to all these things. We tend to think that, okay, it's very rosy and very nice things happening outside. But we all know that, there are horrible things happening in our country, So you can't say that they will get influenced. I think, in fact, it's very important to see a series like Mirzapur, where you see, okay, if you romanticize guns and power, you never end up in a sweet space. You'll always end up suffering. It's not a very good place to be. So it's very important, because the kind of milieu we have these days, and if the youth thinks that, and also we have to ask these questions: why do we think that youth gets influenced with this? Our society has to answer this question, right? It has to be with the social conditioning. It has to be how we brought up our kids. What are we feeding them? That why are they getting attracted to all this? Why is this happening in the outside world? It's very important to show these things so that you get scared that one day, okay, you might have a gun in your hand, but अगले दिन आपके हाथ में वो बंदूक नहीं होगी, और जिसके हाथ में होगी पावर उसके हाथ में होगी. So violence is not the answer. It has to be love. It has to be love. So I personally feel it's very important for youth to see this and learn from this, that it's not a good space to be in. Don't romanticize it.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us. And we wish that Mirzapur become the super hit series of this year and coming on too. So thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.